Hello, welcome to the Analytics YouTube channel. This is Güven. I'm going to show you how you can make automated emails that are included dynamic data and last updated Power BI data visuals. To do that, I'm going to use AdventureWorks DW database. As you see, I generated a query. This query to see weekly sales amount and that sales amounts one previous week value. I compared them. I compared the change and I generated rate, and I used format function to show them in percentage sign. Uh, and I use a condition to generate comment. Now I'm going to use this comment and change amount inside my automated emails. Now I'm going to use this view inside the Power BI reports. Let's pull this data to a Power BI report. To do that, I need some information like database and server names. When I enter, Power BI going to list me all the dataset that I can use. I'm importing my interested view. When it's done, I'm going to generate a line chart. I'm going to use sales amount, and this is 53 weeks. I'm going to use just last 7 weeks. Some visualization, data label, and border. Now I can save it. When it's done, I'm publishing it to the Power BI Cloud, into my workspace. I think it's already done. Yes, we can see report. Now we might pin the visual to the dashboard. Let's create a new dashboard. And our visual is here. Let's make a subscription. I need subscription to that's okay. Now I'm going to trigger this once. I need to see this email inside my mailbox inbox. While we are waiting, I'm going to create a folder inside OneDrive that we're going to store the attachments. And we can start our flow. Save attachments, and when a new email arrives, great. Yeah, we received the email. I'm going to need that subscription part. Subject filter. Remove attachments and include attachments to I think that's all. Next step, I'm going to create a file with that action. OneDrive business actions. Good. I'm gonna save here. I'm going to use attachments on name and attachments content. Now I can save it and I can test it. To test it, we need to trigger one more. As we receive the email, and our flow ran successfully. Now we might see the files inside the folder. Yes, our visual on the dashboard is here inside the OneDrive folder right now. Now we can use it, this file in another Power Automate flow. I'm going to use a scheduled one. We can use daily, can change it anytime. Now I need this transform data using Power Query action. Create query. This is exactly the same process with the Power BI. Yes, view is here and we are picking it. Transform data, create data, and it's in the flow right now. Next step, I'm going to get that visual, that dashboard data visual that we have in the OneDrive as a thumbnail by using this action, get file thumbnail action. And we are finding our file, and thumbnail size can be large. Now, new step, I'm going to add a condition. Now, this rank is working to pick the right week. When I run it today, I want to compare last week's sales amount and one week before. So that's why anytime I run this query, I need to pick the rank 2 because I'm going to I want to compare correct weeks. That's why I'm going to use rank is equal to. When this condition satisfied, I'm going to send an email to me. Let's make some intro. Please find a brief analysis for the week. Let's add here a dynamic week value, week number. And here we need comment and rate. Now in that part we can import our image. That get file thumbnail action is generating an URL, and we can use that URL here, and we can change the size of it. Let's finalize this. Thanks. Yep. Let's save it and test it. Yes, we can see here we have dynamic week number, dynamic rate, and dynamic comment, and also last updated data visual. If you notice that we received more than once, let's send one more, and I'm going to show you one more trick. Now, whenever we receive that subscription email, our first flow going to generate one more this long and unmeaningful file that I don't know why it's coming with the PNG. I think it's some kind of supporting file, but get rid of the files that we are not interesting anymore. We have one more technique. We can apply delete file. Now we received, and we received that subscription email, and here one more that strange file, right? Now we can go back to flows, and to the save attachments flow we can add also delete one. Now to do that we need to file we need to list file in folder, and let's find the interested folder. Yep. Now we're going to add one more step. There must be a condition. In this condition we are using last modified date. Last modified date should be less than, it's an expression, that means list every file that is older than 1 minute, and if the condition is satisfied, delete them. Delete file and ID. Now you can save it, and let's do it one more and see if it's worked. Now we have two strange files older than 2 minutes. Yes, we received one more, and I assume that flow is working. Yes, it worked, and it deleted old files. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. I'm open to improvement. Bye for now.